What time is it now? What time is it now? What time is it now? What is the time?
3:15 a.m.
3:15 a.m.
Yes.
3:50 a.m.
Yes, 3:15 a.m.
3:15 a.m. Yes. Saturday morning.
Yes.
Saturday morning. Kai, Mala, me Sunanka. Adamu, me Sunanka. Amaria, me Sunanka. Eh? 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 So, driver, we are going to turn you back. We don't know where you're coming from. You cannot be moving at this point in time. We would have seized your vehicle, but this is a warning. We don't tolerate this in Anambra. So we'll turn you back because we don't know where people are coming from. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? You don't smuggle people in the name of press. You don't traffic human beings in the name and use a press vehicle. Do you understand me? Do you understand? Do you understand me? You don't traffic people and use a press vehicle. Now turn about. Otherwise, I seize your vehicle. This is Anambra State. Turn about immediately. This is curfew. Turn about immediately. You're smuggling people from other states.